Hey guys, this is a West Viking portable cycle pump, or the air pump I will say, because it can be used anywhere. It comes with the manual, so first the Chinese and then its English translation below it, so that's very helpful and pretty much it's self-explanatory. Everything is there that you can go through it. It also says how to take care of the pump and the maintenance. So here is the pump. You can see it very clearly. It comes with a stand. You can use it in your bike or anywhere. So it's the velcro one. It's easily adjustable just to hold the pump. So that's good to hold it. And then it comes with the two side. One is the gauge side that you can measure the pressure. Just put in there, and then it will come in the meter here. And the other side, this is for the gauge, and then the other side is for filling the air in. So this is for the air, and you can see that here, and then is the pump. Like so, when you do like this, the air will generate and go inside like a pump. So it's pretty cool. And here it says the maintenance every 3 months, so you can read clearly in it and how to use it. So the manual is helpful. So it also comes with some attachments that you can see here. Just trying to fit it. I think it is for the other side. Yeah. So here I'm just trying, and then yeah, here it fits well. This is for this side, and you can pretty much see. And guys, this is the most amazing part. Like you can see it here. As I mentioned, there are certain accessories. So here, like when you open this one, this is a small like the rubber tube wall. You can see it here, that you can actually attach here to the pump side like this. Once you attach it here, then you can actually fill the air in your bike or in your ball. Like the ball attachment can be attached here like this, and then you can pump it off like this. So it's flexible and then work very fine. And once you take this thing out, then you can just use it directly in your bike. So you can see like it is just for the bike here, right? And then just take it off. When you take it off, and you can see like this tube, this fits well. This is a rubber tube, and it goes back in that position for the gauze. Just lock it off, and here it is again, the slim portable one.